Hi guys, so today we are going to be making a volcano erupt, and so first we're going to add some red dye over here what I've got. There we go. And then add some of this. You ready? Whoa! That's how you make a volcano erupt. Look. Lava. Ooh, look. Pop. And then more's gonna come. Pour some more in. Whoa. Look. Just going over and over again. Looks so red. And that's the end of this video, so I'll see you next time. Bye.